everyone, my name is Stuti and I welcome all of you to the official digital platform of IPM Wars powered by CH Edge Makers. Today we are going to talk something about IPMAT. If you are preparing for IPMAT, that is Integrated Program for Management Aptitude Test, the scores of which are accepted by IIM Indore. If you are appearing for this exam or if you're preparing for this exam, then let's discuss together what are the intricacies and what are the things you need to remember for IPMAT. Let's know something about IPMAT in brief. So, IPMAT exam has 3 sections: quantitative aptitude, short answers, quantitative aptitude MCQs, and verbal ability. In quantitative aptitude short answers, we have 15 questions. In quantitative aptitude MCQ, we have 30 questions, and in verbal ability, we have 45 questions. When I say quantitative aptitude short answers, these are theta based questions. When I say theta is type in the answer, where you will not be given the options like MCQs and you will have to type in the answer. The positive point here is that there is no negative marking for an incorrect answer marked for theta based question, right? But for every correct answer you mark, you will be getting +4 and no negative marking for incorrect answer. Quantitative aptitude MCQ. In fact, for all the theta based questions in IPMAT, you do not have any negative marking, but you have +4 for every correct answer marked in every section. Alright, now quantitative aptitude MCQ, where you're given the options and you have to choose one correct answer from the options given in the question. You have 30 questions for quantitative aptitude MCQ. You have +4 for correct answer and -1 for every incorrect answer. There is no marks deducted for unattempted answer. Verbal ability has 45 questions. Again, the marking scheme says +4 for the correct answer and -1 for every wrong answer you have attempted. This exam is of 120 minutes. This exam is of 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. You will be getting 2 hours to solve the whole IPMAT paper. And the total marks would be 360. Right? Types of questions, we have MCQs as well as theta based questions. So IPMAT, if you are preparing for IPMAT, then you should know what are the sections and what are the topics. So okay, wait for our video to be uploaded for the detailed analysis of all the topics they cover in IPMAT exam, in IPMAT basically. So do watch our video for the same. IPMAT scores are accepted by IIM Indore, but not just IIM Indore. IPMAT Indore scores are accepted by other institutes as well. Let's see which are the other institutes which accept IPMAT Indore's scores. So we have IIM Indore, obviously we have IIM Ranchi, we have TAPMI Manipal, Nirma University. All of these exams, all of these colleges, schools also accept IPMAT scores. And the test centers, there are almost, so IPMAT almost covers majority of the states, not all but majority of the states, and these are the test centers, so that every candidate is accessible to appear for IPMAT exam. So these are the centers which take place, where IPMAT actually takes place. Right. Okay. Now, what is the eligibility criteria for appearing in IPMAT? If you have completed grade 12 or an equivalent examination in 23 or 24, or also if you're appearing for grade 12 in 2025, then you can appear for IPMAT 2025. The eligibility criteria for marks would be if you have scored minimum of 60% marks in class 10th and class 12, then you are eligible to appear for IPMAT for the general category, and for SC, ST and person with disability, this criteria is 55%. Now, if you have been born on or after August 1 as a general candidate, for the general candidates, August 1, 2005, then you are eligible for IPMAT 2025. And again for SC, ST and PWD, the date is, so you have this 5 year of relaxation here. So SC, ST and PWD candidates have 5 year of relaxation, because for general candidates it is 2005, and for SC, ST and PWD candidates it is 2000. So they have relaxation in this. So if you fulfill this criteria, you will be able to appear for IPMAT. Right, so if you have planned to appear for IPMAT Indore, then please please see these eligibility criteria, whether you are fulfilling this or not. Now very quickly, let's see what are the general confusions of students who are actually preparing or who are planning to prepare. So while you say prepare, that makes me recall that we do have crash course batches, and if you have still not joined and if you're still planning, you can join the crash course batches with IPM WERS. All right, can I change my IPMAT exam center after submitting the application form? No, it is not allowed. So while you fill the application form, you'll be given the options to choose the examination center. So you can choose the first 3, and as I said, it's happening in many cities across the state. So you have the options in your own city or in your nearby city, so you can choose those, and you will be most of the percentage of time you'll be allotted those city among those city as well only. Are IPMAT test cities available in all states of India? I'll not say all, but then majority of the states cover the cities which take or which conduct the IPMAT Indore exam. Right, so not all the states, but then yes, majority of the states. So if not yours, then nearby, right? So you are accessible. It's very easy to access the city center exam, etc. What documents should I carry to the IPMAT exam center? Well, this is a very early question. Of course, we will be guiding you towards, just before the exam, we will be guiding you towards what are the things you should carry, what are the things you should take in mind while you appear for IPMAT and while you go to the center, what are the things you should not do while going to the center. So we will be talking we will be talking about it in detail. But for now, what documents should you carry? So basically, your admit card, your identity proof, and any other document mentioned in the admit card. So you have to read the instructions of the admit card very, very carefully. Don't worry, we will be guiding you towards that as well in the coming videos. Does IIM Rohtak accept IPMAT Indore scores? No. So IIM Rohtak has its own separate exam called IPMAT Rohtak. It does not accept IPMAT Indore scores. Right, so it has its own individual separate exam, right? The colleges which accept IPMAT scores, we have discussed about those before a few minutes back, right? So those are the colleges which accept IPMAT Indore's scores. This was a brief information about IPMAT. If you are planning to, or if you're already appearing, if you're already preparing for it, watch this video and do let me know if you have any other question. To let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest notifications and updates, and for a lot of important information which we will be coming up with real soon. Keep learning.